Hey everyone, welcome to this step-by-step guide on downloading, installing, setting up and activating Bandicam, your go-to screen recording software. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to the official Bandicam website. On the homepage, locate and click the download link. Make sure you select the version compatible with your operating system, click the download button and wait for the installer file to save to your computer. Find the downloaded installer file and double-click it to start the installation process. Follow the installation wizard steps. Click Next or Install to proceed. Read and agree to the license agreement. Opt to create a desktop shortcut for easy access. Choose the default installation directory or a different one if you prefer, and click Finish to complete the installation. Double-click the Bandicam desktop shortcut to launch the application. To activate your license, go to the About tab and click on Register. Enter your email and license key. First thing I do after installing Bandicam is enable the mini floating control panel, which is very useful to me. Then, I change my preferred output folder for the recorded files. Also, change mouse pointer options. For the video settings, I personally go for moderate settings for resolution, frame rate, and quality based on my needs. Make sure you have selected hardware acceleration for smooth experience. Ensure your audio settings are configured correctly for both your microphone and system audio. Set up hotkeys for starting and stopping recordings, pausing, and other quick access functions. Customize any overlay options, like showing FPS or a webcam overlay. Save all your settings to ensure everything's ready for your recording sessions, and that's it. You've successfully downloaded, installed, set up, and activated Bandicam. You're all set to start recording your screen activities. Don't forget to experiment with different settings to find the best configuration for your needs. If you have any questions or run into issues, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.